Welcome back to the Morning Blend. This before and after picture shows what kind of damage you can reverse with the right peel. And if you combine treatments, you can truly peel away dark spots, fine lines, and other signs of aging and sun damage.
Peel away.
I'm totally with you. And today, in honor of Halloween, we're going to tell you how to unmask and reveal your true beauty.
That's right. Dr. Deborah Manjoney is with the Wisconsin Vein Center MediSpa. She's here with a rundown of some of the best skin treatments that are available.
That's right. Nice to see you too. Thank you.
Yeah.
And so what I'm talking about today are really things that are totally non-invasive, not even minimally invasive, just quick little fixes. You can come in and have a treatment, and 45 minutes or so later, your skin can actually look better instantly or within a few days.
So immediate fixes for small problems.
That's right.
One of the first things is therapeutic facials, and these include what, hydrofacials and DermaPen.
That's right, and they both combine kind of exfoliation treatments as well as the ability to infuse products that we have to make your skin look better. So the skin really can take on a nice lustrous look very, very quickly.
What about chemical peels? Is there always the true peeling with the chemical peel?
You know, chemical peels are over a range, and so you actually can have a chemical peel that just takes off the outer layer with a nice exfoliation, but at the same time is giving you some nice longer lasting effects. Or you can do a deeper peel, which does then have a recovery time, either with the skin starting to peel a few days later totally without any discomfort, or something that's a much deeper peel to get a different kind of effect right into the dermis.
Yeah, I joke with one of my friends who gets peels. First of all, she has the most amazing skin, but she's always like, you know, she'll like molt. You know, like you literally like a snake, you molt.
Yes,
you know?
I've had that happen unexpectedly. 3 or 4 days later.
Right, but I've done the light ones like a lactic acid peel, which really do just exfoliate, and I feel like my skin was totally changed just from something that light.
And even the light salicylic peels and things, you may not even peel, but it's going to give you wonderful long-lasting effects. It's good for the skin.
What kind of pre-peel preparations or things like that you need to do?
Well, depending on what the peel is, sometimes people should be using either something to help bleach the skin a little bit or to prepare their skin just by making sure it's moisturized ahead of time. So there may be some products we use ahead of time to get them ready for a peel, especially if it's a little bit deeper peel. And again, if somebody is getting, for instance, an intense pulse light treatment, which is going to raise pigment, and you'll have beautiful skin within about 5 days, you'll see a difference. Sometimes if somebody really has a darker skin tone, we might want to do something to precondition it before they have a light treatment.
What about the Exilus radio frequency?
Now, Exilus radio frequency is going to be skin tightening. And although it takes certainly 6 weeks or more to see an effect of skin tightening, you'll see an immediate effect after one of these treatments that might last 3 or 4 days. And so it's a great kind of, okay, I'm going to do something nice for my skin that's going to take a while to develop, but I'm going to get an effect that I look great when I go out that night, that your eyebrows may be lifted a little bit, you'll have a little bit more plumping in the upper cheeks, so you get an immediate effect that's going to last a few days.
So something maybe fun to do before a special occasion, like if you're attending a wedding or a class reunion or something like that.
And you'll definitely look better. You can see, even we'll stop halfway through and let you look in a mirror and see the one side, how much different it looks from the other. And that does last a few days, and then that kind of goes away over, you know, just gradually dissipates, and then about a month or 6 weeks later, you'll start to have your first effects of the skin tightening with the collagen regrowth.
So that works along, you know, maybe like your jowls or things like that too. So there is the long-lasting results. It's not just
That's right, long-lasting results, especially if you do 2 or 3 treatments.
What about AFT and intense pulse light?
Intense pulse light, which we love, that's raising the pigment to the surface, and then it flakes off over the matter of a few days. So in 4 to 5 days, that dark discoloration that may get darker immediately will then flake off, and so your skin will have a more even tone. And you see it even after the first treatment. We always recommend, you know, probably a package of 3, because it's going to be doing other wonderful things for your skin every time you have a light treatment. But you'll see pigment changes almost immediately. With the first treatment, you're definitely going to see changes and improvement.
And that's the one that's good for rosacea too, right?
Yes, it is. So for all the little vessels and red discoloration, it also works very well, closes those off, and gives your skin a much more even tone.
What about the DermaPen treatments? That seems like all the rage lately.
It is. And DermaPen is microneedling. So now we're talking about something that's slightly invasive, might even in some deeper problem areas, we might want to go a little deeper with the needles and have a little tiny bit of surface bleeding. But overall, it's something that we do. You're a little pink overnight, and then the next day you put makeup on, you're fine, your skin looks absolutely fine, and it then continues to improve because we're putting lots of little micro channels into your skin, again, then putting product on, and you're able to go out and walk around and look great. And that is something that you don't even need numbing medicine for. You know, it's just something that's very quick, and it's kind of like little vibratory needles that we use to just puncture the skin in micro areas to let product penetrate.
Reminds me of that science project, you know, the needles, you put your hand up. Yeah. You just put your face on that. Here's the information for the Wisconsin Vein Center and MediSpa so that you can call for one of these non-invasive treatments. Just perk up your skin for the fall. Georgetown Drive in Pewaukee is the location. The phone number is 262-746-9088 to call for an appointment, or wimedispa.com. Thanks so much, Doctor.
Thank you very much.
Great to see you. Have a great
weekend.
weekend.
You too.
Thank you.